Come on.
He basically planted it.
Well, you're not supposed to crawl. We were taking a video of you walking.
Mason. Mason.
Look at what Daddy's got. There it goes. Get him.
Hi, buddy.
Go get him.
Come here, buddy.
He doesn't want it.
Mason.
Hear himself.
Mason.
He's coming. Yay! Good job, baby.
Whoa.
Looks like Gumby.
See what I'm saying? I think we need to get you a helmet, buddy. Because you're like...
It's funny and sad and cute all at the same time. Good job, baby. Oh. Are you okay? Are you so pooped out? This is gonna make you tired, huh? Oh. Come on. Come on. Oh. I crumble. Whoa. Oh. It's okay. The shoes are not helping either because there's weight.
Actually give him stability, but you can't...
He does look like a little drunkard.
Yeah. You want this, buddy?
Dad, Sophie. Oh. This is so exhausting. Whoa. This is a good space for her to practice. Sophie, get over there.
Mason.
Sophie. Get in your bed. Sophie, get in bed. Get in your bed.